Hi, my name is Benjamin Kähler, Head of eDrive at Vans. I'm proud to present to you our new EQV. Let me show you some of the highlights. The all-new Mercedes-Benz EQV combines a powerful electric drivetrain with high functionality. A range of over 400 kilometers and fast charging make the EQV ready for everyday use. As you can see, the EQV also received a fresh new look. We combined the dynamic exterior design of the V-Klasse with the unique aesthetics typical for the new electric vehicles by Mercedes-Benz. The black panel radiator grille with its chrome band is formative for the styling of the vehicle. Under the hood, you find a compact drivetrain unit consisting of the electric motor, the cooling system, and power electronics. 150 kilowatts of power allow for a top speed of up to 160 kilometers per hour. Hidden in the front bumper is the charging socket. This is the ideal position, since most fast charging stations are located at the front of the parking space. The side looks extremely smooth and pure, highlighted by the 18-inch rims in EQ design. In the interior, we combined the cool electric optics with warm accents that make you feel right at home. A prominent feature are the many details in rose gold. Central to the front interior is the 10-inch touchscreen display with which you can control the MBUX infotainment system with ease. Or just use the voice control via "Hey Mercedes." In the rear section, you will find a variable seating concept and a lot of space, just as you know it from the V-Klasse. The battery is installed under the floor, where it doesn't restrict the interior space in any way. Whether you bring your kids to kindergarten or business people to their next meeting, the EQV is ready for every kind of task. We are proud to say that the EQV is the first fully electric premium MPV.
Ladies and gentlemen, the world is changing at a rapid pace, and with it mobility and the automotive industry. Global megatrends such as urbanization, individualization and digitization present our industry with major challenges, and urban mobility must adapt to this rapid development. People in urban areas want to get around easily and in an environmentally friendly way, by means of intelligent, digital and sustainable mobility solutions. This is why we invest heavily in our current product portfolio, in our production sites, in new products and also in promising business models. In recent years, we've gone from being a pure manufacturer of globally successful transporters to a provider of holistic transport and mobility solutions. With our future initiative, Advance, we defined a strategy how to achieve this goal in different sectors. Powertrain electrification and emission-free mobility are important elements of this strategy. With the eVito already launched and the eSprinter to follow this year, we already offer 2 commercial models with battery electric drive. After commercial and public use, it is a logical next step to make our electric vehicles accessible to private users as well. This is why we are proud to introduce to you the next member of the Mercedes-Benz EQ premium family, our first premium MPV with a purely battery electric drive system, the all-new Mercedes-Benz EQV. With the EQV, we have the perfect next member of the EQ family of purely electric passenger cars by Mercedes-Benz. Just like the EQC, it combines hallmark attributes of Mercedes-Benz, such as quality, safety, and comfort. This vehicle also meets the same high standards of versatility as our successful V-Klasse, but now in a purely electric version. And just like the V-Klasse, the EQV is also manufactured in Vitoria, on the same assembly line. It is perfect, locally emission-free vehicle for families and outdoor sports enthusiasts alike, and also for shuttle and ride-sharing services. So it not only fits in the EQ family, but it is also a great milestone on our road to emission-free mobility.